guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl Dipped. Me never go sing again. Me not sing again because I know me can't sing. Yes, a girl Dipped in chocolate, and I'm here with a banger. Let's on. So people, they got call some Jamaican mother and some girl and a girlfriend today, telling them that them son breed me and them boyfriend breed me and them need to do something about it because I'm not money. People, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification to be notified when I post. Comment down below the fire emoji can know say it's gonna be a banger. And that's on period. Stop it. Hello?
Hey.
Is this Miss Shauna?
Yes, it is.
Miss, I don't know if your son tell you. I don't even know how to tell you this, to be honest.
Don't know what.
Your son Louis? Miss, me don't know if he tell you, to be honest, because him say me not supposed to tell you because him say you go retaliate a certain type of way and him a wait for tell you. But Louis get me pregnant, miss, and it's like him don't want. It's like him don't want to be baby.
And Louis?
No, miss, him need to hear me on the phone because him not take me serious and him need to step up as a man.
Live.
Huh?
Really?
Spanish Town, miss.
How old are you?
16.
So you come from Spanish Town and you and Louis end up in all of this at a club, you know?
Because we usually go school together and him tell me saying love me. Yeah. So you can talk to him, please, because I don't know what to do and them are going to put me out.
I'm going to talk to you.
No, make me stay on the phone because maybe him not believe in and he understand me I go through, you know, me not believe in no. Say them are going to put me out. And me telling say, Louis, you cannot do nothing without protection. He say it don't feel good.
Then I went this up.
Right now, miss, me are nearly 6 months.
And just a year this?
Exactly, he might tell me say in soon. He might tell you, I might tell him, say, tell your mother now. Can you ever say love your mother and something? Let me say if you love your mother, you must can trust her and telling her this.
So you are going to find a doctor?
Me go one doctor at Eltham.
Oh.
Yeah.
And with all of this, you mix it. We just laugh. We have a laugh. Why me just hear this?
Me get a number from somebody. From one of my friend them me get a number from. Cause he don't want to tell your mom.
Oh, Jesus.
And it's like he don't want it. And me go church, you know, man, me don't. We got church. So me not do no abortion,
Now,
mom.
which one you are losing? You and me come to do this.
Me come up on yard sometime.
Okay.
Yes, mom.
That's why I'm going to call you, but I'm going to call my sister, because this we can't buy the alone.
Alright, mom.
Huh?
It's a prank, you hear? It's a prank. Louis tell me so tell us I love you bad. Why? People, the lady stress out bad. The next prank, oh my god. Ooh, the next prank yeah, I gonna be one girlfriend. Me nervous bad. Oh my god, did I want to know? Next prank yeah, one girlfriend. Louis mother have beer vibes. What's her name again? Jody. You know the girl name. Hello?
Hello?
Is this Jada?
Yes?
Yes, me tell her say, me know you don't know me, but me know you. Your boyfriend Renee Romian, him get me pregnant and him tell me if I don't tell her because me is the side chick and me can't keep it no more because the baby is sick, me 6 months and me need help from him. So please, me know you're the wife and everything, but please tell him to help me out with this. Eh?
Alright.
I'm not joking now.
No.
Me say, me no know how you deal with Romian, you know.
Add him to the car, I'm telling you.
Add him to the...
Yeah, merging.
Me nah add him to no call, you know, because he last time, me tell him say me I go call you, him get really upset. And me don't want him do nothing to me, because me pregnant.
I wish you could be ready for this.
Eh?
Yeah, we're talking.
You got
His name
Chanel.
Chanel.
Yeah.
They come from Chanel.
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town. Yeah, Chanel.
But you not look like it, you take me serious, Jada. I not cuss, but you not sound like you take me serious. Make sure you talk to him, you know.
Alright.
Jada,
Yes?
I want prank.
You know,
I want prank. Me a Ramian cousin. You big up yourself. she not business. Cha, I want some exciting people. I hope see the woman here me I call exciting. Cha man. People, the lady named Raquel. Miss Raquel.
Hello?
Hello, good day, miss.
Mm-hmm.
Miss, I said
Hello?
good. Hello, good day,
Good
miss.
Uh-huh.
I am Chevelle. Your son Deacon, he got me pregnant, miss, and I don't know what to do, miss, and them are gonna put me out.
When you say pregnant, what you mean?
Pregnant as in implanted one baby in me, miss.
Backside, yeah, tell me. Oh, they can't get you pregnant.
Miss,
I'm going to tell they can't to use protection. So where you go wrong, because I can't my son wrong.
oh, miss,
Eh?
Missy say no one use the protection, can I say feel
So if you
better?
tell us, say no, so what about what you think? If you tell us, say no one protection, what about you? What
Miss-
you think?
Miss, but sometimes, miss, I am made for the boy.
Yeah, what?
Miss, yes, me love your son, but me say if he jump, me go ask him how I.
Okay. Well, you're the fire. One year, yam cook or banana head. No, the pound one.
Me,
So the
miss,
police ain't call us you for film business that.
miss, me can't go live with you. You know why your grandchild?
No. No. Me no the pound, no the pan.
Miss, but me love your son. Me not feel like he love me at all, cause it's like he might tell me if dash a baby and I would have been your first youth.
So how old you be?
Me are 16, ma'am.
Backside. Hey. Well, me soon in prison. You're telling me come visit him in prison, yeah?
Mom say I love your son. You know why your grandchild?
Yeah, me love him. But me can't look him in prison.
Jesus Christ.
Alright? What you say your name again?
Chevelle, ma'am.
And when you get in a trouble, you call me and put me here this name here.
And he tell me say he and he house a talk about me and me a wife.
Kin, me know about. Me don't know about no Chevelle.
Where?
Are you named Kin?
Who, miss?
Kin.
No, miss.
Are you?
So that means they not give me born? Alright, miss. Me don't know. Miss, but when me I go? Them a put me out.
So much past your parents in there.
Me no don't know my father. And my mother left me down hospital.
Backside. Well, if this one you done this, so I don't business with you know. We are two young people who don't know what we do. You are 16 and you take man already, so you honey. Eh?
Miss, because
I don't talk about in love it, in like it with the something on it. It's sorry for you now.
Miss, but because me was a virgin and then he said to me, say, he love me and he must stay with me and married to me. That's why
Well,
me do it.
Miss Yamed, something happened to teach you a lesson. You hear, ma'am?
Oh, me I go do, Miss, me 6 months
I don't know. Me don't know. Me don't know what you are going to do, but me can look for my prison. Anyways, me we talk sooner or later. You come on, me call you.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
it's a prank.
A little doesn't have next year, you know. Yeah, no, yeah, maybe, yeah.
All right.
Tell me, son, me love you.
All right, later.
Yeah, alright.
No, sir. She have a piece of buzz there. Them type of mother you more. So, people, I'm going to do one part 2 of the video. So, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification to be notified when I upload another video. And people just like up and watch the other rest of video them and just me know some video them nice, so go and go enjoy the rest of them right there. So, love you guys. Bye.